Do you ever feel like your thoughts are constantly running in your mind, never giving you a moment of peace? It's like there's always something you are thinking, work, personal life, goals, and it never stops. What if I told you there's a simple way to organize those thoughts and bring some calm to your mind? In this video, I'm going to share 5 easy journaling methods that will help you clear up that mental clutter and get your thoughts in order. Stick with me, and let's dive into how journaling can make a big difference. Method 1. Build a journaling habit. The first method is all about making journaling a habit. The key to using journaling effectively is consistency. Think of it as part of your daily routine, like brushing your teeth or drinking your morning coffee. It's easier to keep up with something when it becomes a habit. Start by deciding when you'll journal, maybe in the morning, during lunch, or right before bed. The more often you do it, the easier it becomes. Now, here's a little tip. Make your journaling experience pleasant by engaging your senses. Do you enjoy a cup of coffee while you write? Or maybe the sound of calming music helps you focus. Creating an environment that you enjoy will make journaling something you actually look forward to. The more comfortable you feel, the more likely you'll stick with it. Over time, you'll start to notice how much more organized and at peace you feel just by setting aside a few minutes each day for your thoughts. Method 2. Keep it simple. Method number 2. Keep it simple. If you find writing overwhelming, don't worry, you don't need to write long paragraphs right away. Start with lists. Lists are a great way to keep things simple and still get your thoughts down. You could list things you're grateful for, goals you want to work on, or anything that's on your mind. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually expand those lists into sentences and eventually into longer entries. The goal here is to make journaling feel easy and not like a heavy task. The simpler, the better when you're just starting out. By keeping it simple, you'll be more likely to make journaling a regular part of your life instead of a once-in-a-while activity. Method 3. Choose your medium. Now, let's talk about Method 3. Choosing your medium. Do you prefer to write by hand, or are you more comfortable typing on your phone or computer? The beauty of journaling is that there are no rules. You can do it however it works best for you. If you like to write by hand, grab a notebook and keep it somewhere safe or take it with you to jot down thoughts on the go. If you prefer digital journaling, use an app on your phone or computer. The advantage of digital journaling is that you can write anywhere, anytime. Choose whichever method feels more comfortable and fits your lifestyle. The key is consistency, no matter the format. The freedom to choose how you journal means you can always stay connected to the process, no matter where you are or what you're doing. Method 4. Write from another perspective. Method number 4. Write from another perspective. Sometimes, journaling about personal issues can feel too raw or difficult. If that's the case, try writing about your situation in the third person. For example, instead of writing, "I'm stressed out about my work," try writing, "She is feeling overwhelmed by her work." This gives you some emotional distance, making it easier to express your feelings. Once you feel more comfortable, you can shift back to first-person writing. But starting with the third person helps you put your thoughts into perspective and take away some of the emotional weight. It's a great way to ease into journaling without feeling too exposed. Over time, this perspective shift can help you process your emotions and view situations more objectively, giving you valuable insights into your own behavior. Method 5. Focus on what's unique to you. And finally, method number 5. Focus on what's unique to you. Journaling is most effective when you address the things that matter most in your life. Are you struggling with negative self-talk? Write down positive affirmations or things you like about yourself. If you feel like your mind is cluttered, try journaling in a stream of consciousness style. Just let your thoughts flow onto the page without worrying about structure. You can also use journal prompts to guide your entries. Try asking yourself questions like, "What am I grateful for today?" Or, "What's one thing I want to improve about myself?" These prompts help you focus on areas in your life that you want to work on, and journaling about them can bring clarity and peace to your mind. As you focus on personal growth, you'll notice how journaling becomes an essential tool for self-discovery and emotional healing. So, there you have it. 5 simple yet powerful journaling methods to help you organize your thoughts quickly and effectively. Whether you're looking to declutter your mind, improve your mental clarity, or just make journaling a daily habit, these methods will guide you in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with anyone who could use a little mind clarity, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips on organizing your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.